I am very close to the end. I am going to be solving a problem 58 that it says that y equals to x plus 3 divided by x minus 5. And they want you to find the value of the x. We have a problem here. Is that the x is added to a 3 and the x is and 5 is subtracted from the x, and you need to have the x by itself. So the first thing that occurs to my mind is that I'm going to multiply both sides by x minus 5. And I'm going to do this so I can cancel this fraction. So here x minus 5 times y is going to be y x minus 5, you see? And then x plus 3 over x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 5. This is going to cancel. I'm going to have here x plus 3. So it's looking a little bit better because now it's not that complicated. But then I don't have any other choice but to distribute. Y times x is xy. Y times negative 5 is negative 5y equals to x plus 3. Remember, I'm looking to separate the x. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to move this x to this side, and I'm going to move this negative 5y to the other side. So I have here xy minus x. This was plus x. Move it to the other side, minus x. Then I have this negative 5y is going to become positive 5y, and this is a plus 3. Then I'm getting closer because everything that I have here is a y and a 3, and at least I have the x on the left side. But then I'm going to take the x out, and I'm going to have x, and I'm going to multiply it by y minus 1. How do I know this is correct? Because when you take the x out, you're left with a y here, and when you take the x out of here, you're left with a 1. X times y is xy. X times negative 1 is negative x. Now that I have the x by itself, yeah, I just have to divide both sides by y minus 1. Cancel, and then x equals to 5y plus 3 over y minus 1, and the answer is F.